Hi guys, I'm Brad from Success Online, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get accepted into Maxbounty. Okay, so I made this video yesterday and I was going to upload it today. However, Maxbounty came up with a pretty big update for the website that changed everything, so I'm remaking the video. Obviously, go to the link in the description and you're going to be taken to the sign up form here. And you want to put in your name, obviously, so I'm just going to do all this now. And then here in the contact information, you want to fill all this in. Make sure you put your mobile phone in because as you know, you're going to have to do a phone interview to actually get into Maxbounty. And that's the thing that most people are worried about, but it's actually really easy to do and it's more of a discussion than an actual interview. Okay, so now we've got to the experience tab here, and this is where you want to focus a lot of your time. This is going to be a talking point for the phone interview. So you want to tell the truth here, because the thing is with Maxbounty, they are actually really friendly to people that haven't done anything in CPA before, and they will accept you. All they're trying to do is filter out the fraudulent publishers. So what is your experience? You can either put that you're a complete beginner or that you have a little bit of experience. Even if you don't have a little bit of experience, you can put that you have a little bit, because with that you can put that you've done the research and you plan to put what you've researched into action, and it just gives you more of a talking point than putting I am a complete beginner. So now you've put that, you want to describe your past in affiliate marketing. Now obviously if you haven't done anything in affiliate marketing, you can't exactly do that. If you have, then be sure to put your past. Even if you haven't made any money, just put your past and explain what you were doing. If you don't have any experience, you just want to put what you've researched. You can just put that you've had no experience or not much experience, but you've done research and you know the importance of an email list, and you're going to build an email list and you're going to work hard and put 100% into this venture, and just stuff like that that's going to be reassuring to Maxbounty. You just don't want to come across as like a fraudulent publisher and fake. Now, how do you promote offers is probably the most important one. They want to know how you're going to promote their offers and get them leads. So what I did was I said that I was going to find keywords on YouTube to rank for, then make a YouTube video and rank it on page 1. And once it's on page 1, then I drive traffic to the respected CPA offer. And that's what I'm actually doing at the minute. So if you want to go and check out what I'm doing, I'll put an annotation up in the top right hand corner or a link in the description, and you can go and have a look at that after this video. But if you intend to promote it by social media, then tell them how, tell them why. Same with email or SEO. You've just got to tell them honestly how you intend to promote their offers. It's not really rocket science. If you want to sign up, you obviously have an idea of how you're going to promote. Then what offers are you looking for? I put email submits because they're easier to convert. That's what I go for. It may be different for you. Now with your website URL, you can link them to literally anything, but make sure it's relevant to you. So for example, if you're promoting by a YouTube page, just link them to that. Even if it's only got a couple of videos on, it'll be fine. If you've got a website, if you've got Twitter, anything, just link them to that and it'll be great. As long as you talk about what you're going to do to the channel and your plans in the future, then you'll be okay with that. Is this for incentive traffic? Click no, because you're probably not doing that. If you don't know what this is, it's basically if you say to someone, do this offer and I'll give you this, or do this offer and you can have so many points on this, and yeah. And then finally the earnings. It says here make checks payable to your name. You just want to put your name, but when you actually get an account, you can get payment by PayPal or bank transfer. Now for the actual phone call itself, like I said, it's really easy to get in and it's just more of a discussion. Basically mine was 5 minutes long. Someone called me up. He just wanted to basically know what I planned to do and my experience. So it was basically rolling off the points that I'd put in experience. And yeah, I just had to fill this out to go into the next tab. So he's going to ask you how you intend to promote your offers. He's just going to go over that with you again, and you just got to tell him honestly. If you're really new and you don't have much information gathered, then just tell him. But tell him you're going to be working hard, and you just got to be honest with him really. You can ask him also, if you want to ask him some questions, ask him what offers are converting well at the minute, and he's going to recommend you some. He is your affiliate manager, so he's going to know everything that he needs to know about the network. And the affiliate manager is there to help you, so you can ask him any questions via Skype or email or even phone. But yeah, just play it cool. It's not an interview at all. You don't really have to be nervous. Just go and sign up now and get it out of the way with, because you only have to do it once. And the only way you're actually going to make money through Maxbounty is by actually taking action. So if you watch this video right now and don't even bother doing this, then you've just wasted however many minutes of your time. So go click on the link in the description, go sign up, and then go do your interview, and then you're in for life and you can make as much money as you like. So be sure to like this video if it helped you. If you've got any questions, please put them in the comments, and subscribe for more videos like this.